Hello. Okay, I've had this forever. I think I did not get this off Kickstarter. I know there's a lot of not controversy, but some issues with delivery and fulfillment, and it's been a crazy time. And after us having, my fiance had COVID, so, and seeing how sick you get, and if you get enough people, it spreads like wildfire. Let me just say that. So I can understand things like the mail and production and everything getting slowed down. So I'm not worried about it. Plus, I always look out sometimes and get things super late. And I got this off of Etsy after the Kickstarter. For some reason, I clicked the option to get it from Spain instead of the US. So, gracias. Okay, I'll take this out of the box because I've been staring at this. Well, a lot because it's been on my desk. I'm like, maybe I should open it. I did peek, okay? I did. I had to. Okay. But now I can open it. So this is upside down. The Cosmic Cycles limited edition. Did I need the limited edition? No, I didn't. But I got it. And then that's the pin I chose. Super cute. That's a cute little bag. Is there anything else in here? Oh, cute. That's really neat. I like that. The aesthetic of this is really nice. I mean, I kind of wanted the little kitty, but this is what they had as options, so I thought she was pretty. This is bigger than I thought it would be. I was thinking when I saw like pictures of it that it was, the box itself was deck size. That's pretty beefy. I have to keep all this packaging. Don't creators know that they're sending their stuff to a bunch of hoarders? And they send this cute packaging. And you know what? I keep it. Okay. That is pretty nice. That's like that velvety feel. So we got the Modernized Shop. This talks about the creators. So it's Miriam and Martina. Oh, I can't remember who's who, but these are the creators. And they both have their own shops in different areas. Oh my. Okay. That's fine. Ooh. Not a bad smell. So here's the book and the cards. You know what? It needs a ribbon. There. It's got a ribbon. Fixed. Okay, so good. The cards are actually normal size. Ooh. So the limited edition came with like, I don't know what the regular one came with, but it came with like the box and the book, I think. I'm not sure. And then this edging and then the gold on the backs. These are nice. I like the feel of these. Okay, I like the purple. So these are a little more modernized, I think. Kind of go through the book. I'll have to sit down in a minute because I'm standing, and who wants to do that? Yeah, so Martina Razzo. Oh, and then Miriam E.G, who did the artwork. See, I love these cute little books. April 2018. So you can kind of read through some of that. Cosmic Cycles Tarot is a modernized storytelling twist to the Rider-Waite deck. Characters are inspired from the 16 court royalties, and they are reimagined in today's society, which is great. That's, I mean, it's nice to learn off of the original, but at the same time, then the symbology has symbology. It's like a start going down the cycles. So then you're having to learn what this person would have been like in that time period, and then have symbolism on top of that. So it is kind of nice, some of these more modern interpretations, so that you're only learning one set of symbolic references as opposed to having to learn what their rules were back then. And we all know that the rules are changing. Rules. Is it spelled the same? R-O-L-E. The rules and the rules are changing, okay? Yes. Okay. Oh, there's a shortcut. For those who want a more logical explanation of how the card works, it is simply a math solution. Oh. Queen, nurture and mature female energy plus cups, relationship emotions. Ah, nurture of relationships. Well, that's a nice way to look at it. Got your spreads. Oh, very interesting. Characters. Likes nature walks, road trips, and camping. Dislikes delayed flights. Page of Wands. Background. To begin her journey, she left her hometown and dashed for the nearest airport. She wants to start fresh and be independent. Upon arriving in the new city, she meets friends and make her feel like home again. Wow, I'm blind. Can you read that? Very interesting. I like that. I like that a lot. Majors. Just some simple associations. Well, not associations, but descriptions. Very simple. But sometimes simple is nice. Oh, old designs. Interesting. Extras. Oh, sketches. That's cool. So I do like that. Okay, bring you down so I can sit down. Whee. I'm a mature adult. Can't you tell? Okay. It's getting hot in this room now. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. So now we'll start. The Magician. I always like the Magician as a DJ. When I did the Tabula Mundi, I really like that interpretation. Makes sense. Priestess. That's great. It's under computer and cards, cat, crystals, plants. Plants are alive. It's always a good sign. Oh. I like that. Oh. The Chariot. That's a good one. That's very much a hermit. I like that. That's very relatable. Oh, Wheel of Fortune. I mean, is she smoking a cigarette? I don't know. I like that though. That's a great one. Sorry, I got distracted. Anyway, yeah, this is great. Because, you know, like when you go to a hairdresser and they're like, you have all these split ends and your hair will never grow if you don't cut them off. Or just that end of relationship bangs. Or just ready for a change. So this is more like a change, you know, for yourself. Oh, and you know what? It's got the skeleton in there. That's cool. Temperance. I always like the yoga balance for temperance, like a more modern day thing. Ugh, isn't that relatable? Not so much now that I'm like older. Well, maybe. The young days. The tower. Oh, yeah. I think I mentioned in like another deck, like if you don't take care of your pipes, but you know there's something wrong with them, that, you know, when they burst, not saying everyone can prevent a house fire because things happen, but you know, sometimes there's negligence that goes into that, which that's still sad. Yeah, but you know, even nature can cause that, just like you know, with like the ash, oak, and thorn with the tree and the lightning, or you know, the star. I like that. The moon. This artwork is just great. The sun, that's cute. Judgment. All your work can get you somewhere, or it won't. The world. Oh, they got a cat. Ace of Wands. I always love cards with a painter in them. I wish I had time to paint. Oh, I haven't painted in like a year. That's cool. Oh my goodness, I hear this all the time. The boys are screaming and yelling at the computer. A little more modernized and everything. That's nice. Nine of Wands. I like this because, you know, they're working towards something. That's a lot of work. I like how they're in like kind of like the respectable positions that that character might be in, just like in like the courts. That's easier to translate into symbolism. I don't want that. Oh, that's sad. Just like with the, is it the modern? Oh, what is it? I'll insert it somewhere. It's literally the most common awesome deck ever. But I like when they also have the characters represented in different aspects. That's great. You know what? I think this is the card that, I could be wrong because it might be in here, but it was like the Queen of Wands or something. It was like one of the queens that had this as their symbolism. Like, I don't get that at all. 8 of Cups, that is perfect. Like, you know, she's going off to work or something. It's kind of like sad, but that's really, I mean, that's necessary, really. Very nice. Oh. Oh, she's a teacher. Oh, that's a good representation. Poor thing. I like this one. It's not always about heartache. Well, maybe it is. Never mind. It's very much about heartache. Oh, very nice. Oh. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. Going right through her. But then, you know, it's like nighttime. The sun's gonna show up the next day. Looks like a Queen of Swords. That's awesome. The King of Swords. I like that. She's being kicked out. Very nice. Oh. Well, that is just great. Oop. So with the, even with like the true black, it's like they're fingerprint magnets. I just put some more oil in my diffuser, so I have to wipe that off. Yeah, this is a nice finish. I don't know what the regular cards are going to be made out of, or if, I know they're a little bit different. Yeah, I didn't need the limited edition, but I mean, I was kind of going on a spree for a little bit because the FOMO was kicking in, okay? Don't judge me. You're not judging me. You're probably judging me if you didn't get it, because that's what I do. If I missed out, I'm judging. I'm like, you didn't even need that. What's wrong with you? Yeah, that's a big box. I wasn't expecting. There we go. Wasn't expecting a box that big, but that's okay. Book. This is cute. Put that on something. And that is the Cosmic Cycles. Like I said, they both have Etsy shops, which I'll link down below. Yeah, I like that. That artwork is really nice and very modern, which is kind of why I usually don't exactly gravitate towards these, because it seems like it's more of a younger market, and I'm in my 30s. Just throw that out there. So, but what's great is you can, you know, nostalgically interpret a lot of those images. So that's the Cosmic Cycles Tarot, and I'll have everything linked down below. So I hope you are being safe and taking care of yourself, and thanks for watching.